Tons of frogs just jumped out right now. No salt in the system. If there's frogs in here, that means it's saturated with bacteria inside the salt softener. Same thing, water's yellow over here on this side. Also, you'll notice that the pressure tank is bad because as soon as I turn the water on, that pump turns on and off immediately. You can tell you're getting sulfur bacteria right here because of the amount of slime that's coming out. That's slime, that's sulfur bacteria. You can also see the fuzzies on the float here. So these things got to be cleaned out once every month to avoid this. But if you're getting it, that usually it's an indication that the well itself is getting bacteria, sulfur bacteria. Also, same thing. The water level goes down a little bit. I just push this down just a tad, and then it just trickles. When it trickles, it's putting sulfur into the water, which is why they probably get smelly water as well. Okay? It's got to be always on, always off. When it's always on, it's taking 3 parts at the max of sulfur out. That's all it's taking out. That's all it ever can take out. Downflow's got a crack there as well, right there. What'll happen is it'll get filled up with water and short out and stop your pump from working.
Host system.
Your system water is hard after the softener. Outlets need to be sealed. Stuff will get back out there and water will get out there, moisture, and it'll short everything out. So we just need to run some silicone through here. What is that?
27 grains.
27 grains hard. Same as the other side. Actually, the other side was 32. You got a bad pressure gauge here. You don't have a pressure gauge on the well. We're unplugging the pumps right now so we can drain down the system. That's all the backwash you're getting right now. You're not getting very much backwash at all.